Hey everybody, welcome to Hodl and Shill. I'm Christopher Columbus, and today I am talking about all things RNS.ID. This is going to be just a personal video. I am giving you guys an update on where I'm at with my current application for digital residency to Palau. If you don't know what RNS.ID is, I have a whole playlist about RNS.ID and an overview. I will link to that below. But essentially what RNS.ID is a program for digital residency to the country of Palau. So I just wanted to show you guys where my status is right now. Currently, I have completed the verification and I am awaiting screening. That's currently going on now. Then next we have the government approval, printing, and shipping. At this point, I will be completely done. And so I want to show you guys what each step means. We'll open up a new tab here, and I will show you the process and the progress. So right now we have completed the verification, which at this stage asks if you can scan and match your ID along with camera face-to-face match to identify your verification and the government regulation. So that is just essentially KYC like you would do at any exchange. Then next is screening. At this stage, your application is being reviewed for KYC AML and a criminal background check and sanctions check as well. Will be reviewed for any errors. So right now we're in this process right now. Next we've got the government approval, printing, and shipping, and then we're done. But I just wanted to share that update. I will be sharing my progress all the way through until I get the shipping and get my ID, and I am officially a resident of Palau, digital resident of Palau. So follow along. If you have not hit that subscribe button yet, please do so, and I will keep you updated every step of the way on what you can expect, any hurdles, any kind of issues that I run into along the way. Even if it's a smooth sailing process all the way, I will update and share my journey. But that's it for this video, and if you have any questions, comments, leave those below. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next update. Thank you.